You know what? It's a light bulb moment to all my hustlers. This is the main ingredient. Get it's checkout time. Lead from the front. Get me. In no need of approval. You get me. I see you shining. Pretty stuff. You're telling me.
Hey.
You got the right picture, babe.
Yeah, I do.
You got me on, you got the view.
Yeah, I'm short, you know.
Yo, what are you telling me? Who's that? Is that you? I'm coming.
Basically, my other brethren's coming down in about an hour. He's gonna come up there in about an hour and take him there.
Then will he definitely do it, yeah, though, yeah?
Yeah, he will.
Alright, safe, please. You lot save me, man. Safe for that team, man. Talk.
Where she goes in my city, I sip my drink till I feel a little chilly. I got that what you need, I got that what you mean. Since I turned 16, had a batch of fiends. I was just posted up. Cause when they know things, they like to talk too much. I'm home.
What's going on, people? We're in Whitechapel. About to so I didn't tell you what we was gonna do. Basically, one of my bedrooms is doing a music video, Gio. Which would go up on either Link Up or Grime Daily. I'll let you know later. But we're just gonna get the whole scene shot, show you what it's saying. You get me? Lead from the front, no approval. Big boy lights. What's this thing here for again? Stabilizers. Yeah, it's gonna be a get on. What are you saying, Gio? Super dripping, yeah? Drip, sauce. Sauce, homesick. Oh, let's get on. Let's see the glasses.
Come on.
Stop it. Come on. Homesick. What are you saying, you man? We're all here, you get me? About to shoot the shoot, you get me? You know what it is. Yeah.
I'm saying to you, look.
Backstage footage, you get me?
We got the world's biggest man in the world right here.
Look at him.
So what?
Blood clot 10. 6 foot blood clot 10. 6 foot blood clot 10.
Step to my brother's soul. You're not on camera, I'm so sorry. I've been millions bills, I should kill. Fuck around and I might kill.
Okay. Tell him. Energy. I've been on my own tape.
I like it.
So it's some bossy shit, like I've been on my own shit. Do you know what I mean, babe?
Yeah.
Like some boss.
Like you're on the phone or something.
Like all those.
Everyone out the room. Listen, block everyone out the room. Guys,
We're not here.
I've been on my own yeah. Back when I feel homesick, yeah. Cause she might be the main shot, cause
listen, normal. I've been on my own shit.
I've been on my own shit.
Yeah, that's it.
Go on with it, babe.
with the song.
I've been on my own shit.
Alright, cool, perfect. That's all you need to say.
Okay. Babe, you been on your own shit, yeah?
Yeah.